Everyone's out there chasing cheap leads like it's the smart move. It's the wrong target completely. A $5 lead that never buys anything isn't cheap. It's actually the most expensive thing in your whole business. Here's why. You didn't just pay $5 for it. You paid $5 plus all the time you spend calling that homeowner, texting them, following up, getting your hopes up for someone who was never going to call you back in the first place. Time is the real cost, and cheap leads eat your time. The number that actually matters isn't cost per lead. Throw that one out. The one that matters is the cost per job. A $40 lead that closes beats 10 $5 leads that ghost you every day of the week. So stop shopping for cheap. Cheap is a trap that feels smart. Start shopping for people who actually want what you're selling and are ready to spend the money. Pay more for better intent and watch your real cost, the real cost per job, go down.